So, welcome back to another Random Hobby Channel. Long time no post. Kakatapos lang ng bakasyon sa Italia at Austria. So, may bagong haul tayo. Bilisan natin. Hey, laking box. Hey, pasilip. So, ayan ang ating hatchet. Combat Patrol Turbalo from 44 hanggang 49 I think. So ayan yan, samang paints, mga orc boys ngayon. Hindi natin tag-isahin, bilisan natin. So ito may maliit, maagang dumating si Santa. Chocobo, Final Fantasy Chocobo Bundle. So 10 packs, alt art, click life counter, one of 24 borderless magic gathering scenes, etc. Tsaka yung box. Very nice. So save the best for last at di na natin mahintay. Ayan, meron na tayong Lee Sin tsaka Victor deck, meron na tayong Jinx deck at tsaka yung Proving Grounds. So that's nice. And I think it's the cream of the crop. Wow, this is big size. We're into D&D territory. Warhammer Quest Dark Water. So let's see. Oh, wow, this thing is heavy. Anong laman niya? So, play on a lay flat book, 19 maps, nice. So para siyang, I don't know, ang tawag na dun. Yeah, Gloomhaven. Yung Jaws of the Lion. 7 different heroes with 150 reward cards. So 1 to 4 players co-op. Yeah, 120 tokens. Andyan yung mga heroes. And nandyan si Blessed by Nurgle. So, ciao! That's all for now.